Hello everyone, this is a video about this telephone set. The name is Gigaset SL450A Duo and this is the black edition. That Duo means we have two handsets here, and then it has a phone book of 500 entries, answering machine 55 minutes recording time, hands-free large TFT color display, a standby mode, 200 hours standby mode, and it has 2 years of warranty and energy saving and green home and made in Germany, and it has nuisance call block as well. So it's supposed to be one of the top of the range that is available at the moment, and this is sold between 160 up to 200 pounds. It depends which outlet you are gonna get it, but for this purpose this has cost me about 179 pounds. And it says the perfect handset, high quality materials and finish handset with aluminium frame, large TFT color display 50 by 38 millimeters, 2.4 inches, excellent acoustic with fast adjustable audio profile via function key even during hands-free calls. It has Bluetooth and Gigaset Go fixed line phone for the future. Answer machine up to 55 minutes. Again, this is the another side, and this is the top of the range of all of these. And there is another one that is touch screen that is supposed to be better than this because it's touch screens like a mobile phone. Is the model is SL910H. Not bad, but the reason that I've gone for this model is because the mobile version touch screen, the Android was Android something like 5 or 6, something like that. It was too old version, so I opted for this one. And these are the specification if you want to read them through, and these are all of the particulars of this. Vibra call, micro USB, baby phone, picture clip, you can add it, color LCD. The other thing is 55 minutes of recording on answering machine, hands-free SMS, 22 melodies, 300-meter outdoor, 50-meter indoor, 12 hours talk time. Okay, and the rest is just here, and I just open this and I tell you what it comes inside. One other thing that is very important about this, you can make voice over IP lines, and this is about future proofing this telephone. If you can connect your handset to the internet, and I'll show you in detail what it comes inside, and then this video is just about show and tell. Otherwise, I am not familiar with this, and I'm gonna learn everything about this, and I'm going to make another video if you're interested. But in general, I get everything out of this box, and we are going to talk more. When you open the box is the user manual that we are going to talk about this in a short while, and something else about the specification. If you want to read through it, I just hold it for you. And then this is about a specific about user manual. That is a lot of reading and a lot of, you know, how to operate these handsets. And in the next video maybe I go through all of that. It comes with the internet cable, and then these are the back of the handset and the belt clip. I don't know, here we don't do belt clips. It's mainly Americans that they may do in America, but we are not doing this in here so much because we have two back cover and belt clip. We have 3 chargers, one for each handset, and one for the base unit, the power for the base unit. I just put this somewhere that we can see it if possible. Let me just put it here, and then we get rid of the box, and then we are going to see them all more. These are the base unit for the charging of each handset. We have 2 of them, and then we have a telephone line, and then we have here the batteries. And look at these batteries, they are wafer thin batteries, really. Look at the size on my finger, and this is supposed to have 200 hours of standby time, obviously, because we have two handsets. We have 2 sets of these batteries. Oh, the batteries are 3.7 volt, 750 milliamp hour, 2.77 watt hour. That is the battery. And then this is the base unit that is going to connect it to the internet. And let me just get this out. To the power, and then the telephone, and on the side we have the internet that is going to connect it to it. And then these are the handsets. I show you just one of them. These are the handsets. I haven't set anything. I just wanted first to do a kind of unboxing for you guys, and then, you know, I'm gonna show you how it works maybe in my next video. So nothing else is in the box, so I put everything aside, and then I organize everything in here and we talk more. So these are everything that comes in the box. As I mentioned, I just assembled some of them here. For instance, the chargers, they just go like that in there. These 2 must face up, and then clicks in place. And if you want to take them out again, you just press this one and then get them out. And then we have the charger for the modem or the base that we have here, and the connection is different to show you that this is for the base unit. And then, as I mentioned, they provided a Cat5 category of internet cable that, you know, I guess is enough for just conversation. And this is the telephone line that I showed you. I assembled one of them just to show you the screen, and the screen still, it has the sticker that I'm gonna get it out. And the handset, before I assemble it, the handset, this is the loudspeaker, and here we have the speaker, and the microphone is at the bottom, and it has a micro USB. Let me just force this to focus. Micro USB for connecting to the computer. I thought this one can also be connected to your mobile phone to transfer all of your directories, but unfortunately for transferring from your phone, a smartphone to this one, you have to download an app in order to do that, and it has the earpiece as well and is compatible with hard of hearing capability, and the screen is as big as this, and I just have to install the battery just to show you the screen a little bit. Hold on a second, I just put a battery and I come back. Just show you the battery again, how thin it is, and here is every segment here is 1 centimeter, so is about 5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeter. So it's very thin, as you see. So I put this one, the connection here, like so, and that's it. It just turns on, and it goes to the settings that you have to set this the handset. And then if you want to turn it off, you just press the hang up button, and then it's going to turn off. Anyhow, this was a short video, or better say over 12 minutes of video about this Gigaset handset, that the name is Gigaset SL450A Go, and this is the black edition, and I like the black edition more than the silver one, but this one is a fingerprint magnet, as you see, but I guess is okay because we are not going to touch this as much, but dust or something is gonna show on this. Anyhow, I hope I didn't disappoint you, because I didn't show you how to use this, because it's a learning curve for myself. I never had a VoIP or voice over IP telephone. I have to set up everything, and then when I learned everything about this, I'm gonna upload another video to just show you the actual running of the phone. Anyhow, I hope you find this video helpful, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.